In this video, we're going to set up SAML SSO Authentication for our deployed environment. First thing that we need to do is ensure that our SAML provider has been properly configured within our portal-based project. And once our provider has been properly configured, we're going to navigate to the user login form within the portal-based project. And we're going to add a new button. We'll call this SSO with SAML. And we're going to change this action to custom. I'm going to paste a code snippet. This is from our help documentation. And this link will be in the description of the video. All right, we're going to save that. The next thing we're going to do is add a hidden component. Just call this SAML. And I'm going to copy some JavaScript from our help docs, again in the description of the video. And I'm going to click the Data tab and paste that in the custom default value. Okay, gonna save my component. Let's actually go ahead and make this a block button so it's aligned with our other submit button or login button. And we'll save our form. As a reminder, if you need to map your SAML roles, you can do that within the SAML settings. And here you can map your SAML roles to Form.IO roles. All right, if we go over to our deployed environment, we can see our login form has the SSO with SAML button. Once I click this, I should be prompted to enter my credentials for my SAML provider. I'm using one login. And once I enter my credentials, I should gain access to the deployed environment. The automatic login authentication method will perform a login via SAML SSO as soon as the SAML user navigates to the authentication page of the deployed portal. This relieves the user from having to interface with the login form and click additional buttons to authenticate into the deployed environment. To enable automatic SSO login for your environment, you will first need to ensure your SAML SSO provider has been properly integrated and configured within the portal-based project. Once you have your provider configured, navigate to the user login form within the portal-based project. And this form will be modified to support the automatic SAML login integration. Because this method bypasses the login form, you will be unable to log in as the super admin for the environment. This is sometimes necessary when needing to make modifications to the portal-based project. Later on in this video, we'll showcase how to bypass the automatic login to temporarily log in as the super admin. All right, once we're in the user login form, the first thing we want to do is drag a hidden component onto the form. And we'll just call this SAML Auto Login. We're going to go to the Data tab and make sure the persistent setting is set to none. And we're going to go to the calculated value and paste the following JavaScript. This code can be found in our help documentation, which is linked in the description of this video. All right, with our JavaScript in place, let's go ahead and save our form. And we'll go ahead and log into the environment again as the SAML user. All right, I am now in an incognito window, and I'm going to go to my local host, which is where my deployed portal is. And as soon as we hit the authentication page, we are bypassed and redirected to my SAML provider, which is one login. And once I log in, I should be redirected to the portal. To temporarily bypass the authentication method, we can pass a URL parameter. I'll show you what that looks like real quick. This parameter can be found in the help documentation, again linked in the description of this video. So once this parameter is in the URL here, we can go ahead and log out. And we can log in as our super admin if we need to. And if I go ahead and remove this, we're back to the automatic login with SAML.